Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. I have a Tim Holtz haul for you. Um, when I was at Tuesday morning, I picked up this folio. And I've always wanted to make one, but in my stores I never found one, and when I went online I always forgot. It's the small folio of Tim Holtz. So I got this from Tuesday morning. And it was only $1.99 there at Tuesday morning. And I think in normal times, they'd be like about $5 or $6. So I showed this in an earlier haul, but the reason why I'm showing it again, because I bought a collection of stuff. Some friends and I are going to get together over Skype on Saturday and each one of us are going to try to put our folios together and figure out what we're going to do with them. So I bought the ones for them and sent them to them in the mail, and we're going to try to do it together, Renee and Ruth and myself. So we're going to try to put it together. I'm going to try to make mine go vintagey with Tim Holtz type stuff. So I was online. I said, well, I think I need some more Tim Holtz ephemera type items. You know, I was getting ready to say ephemera. Who knew why? But ephemera type stuff, and so to go with this. And so I'm going to show you what I bought, and then when we all put it together on Saturday, I'll come back and film or give you a flip through on how it came out. So this is the folio that I bought all this stuff for. This is the ephemera pack, and it's called Field Notes, and I picked this up because it has like all of this stuff in it. Look at that. Mushrooms, everything. I don't know if I want to open it up, but I'll try to open it up. I'll give you a little peek about what's in it. And so this is from his new collection, the Field Notes. So it has a little bit of some of the things that he has before. New things too. Look at the mushrooms. I love, you know me with a good butterfly. So I got to find one of those. Look at the mushrooms. Aren't they cute? Look at that mushroom. Isn't that cute? That's just cute. So they have the mushrooms, the butterflies, the plants, and look, bugs. I'm not going to use any bugs in my folio. So I got the Field Notes. Oh, the mushrooms are nice though. Look at that. That's nice. That's nice. So I got the folio, and I'm just going to try to put it all together and make it really nice and cute and grungy and all that stuff and everything. Let me see what these big pieces are. I'll put this all away when I'm done with this. Look at all the flowers. That's nice. This is a picture of the mushrooms. The mushrooms. These are figures of trees and everything, like if you was out in the woods and stuff. And I did tell you guys that I was once a backwoods ranger, but I'm not going to get into that story because I'm just not going to do that today. I'll tell you that one again about me being a backwoods ranger. So you have these labels that you put on things and everything like that. And I'm a city girl, so they put me in the backwoods. And you know, the best part, I had that ranger outfit, but you know, this is what this reminds me of, but you know, being a backwoods ranger for, you know, a little period of time. Look at those butterflies. Look. Oh, shells. So this is a good ephemera pack to use, and I wanted to get the Field Notes one. When I saw, you know, Tim show it on his video, I go, I'm gonna get that. The next thing I got was the ticket book, because you know, I love a good ticket, and it's you know, you can always use the cover once you're finished with all the ticket. It has 104 tickets in it, and look how that looks. I'm gonna go this way with it. Look, and they're all like that, so that you could take them out and use them the way you want. So they got big ones, more little ones, to the Earl Theater in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Wonder if there's really if anybody knows, is there really an Earl Theater in Allentown, Pennsylvania? Paris. You got some more tickets, train tickets, little tickets to a fair. The World Playhouse in St. Louis, Missouri, the Opium Theater in Indiana, the Ritz in Spokane, Washington. Now, if anybody from Washington and from Spokane, let me know if there's such a thing as the Ritz, and you know, that place there. Here's some other ones. This is kind of a neat book. I have his stamp. I have the stamp and the die set to make the tickets. So I could have made tickets, but I saw this and I was like, I'm just going to get these. Look at that. Fair Park Ride, School Milk Thing, the Cozy Theater in Arcos, Indiana, the Hartford Drive-In in Newarton, Connecticut. This is so neat. This is so neat. Tim curates the neatest stuff. Look at that. Lebanon, PA. The Berlin Circus, the 60 cents. Look at that. 5 cents to admit one. He curates the best things. So anyway, so those are the ticket things I got. I'll figure out how to put those in my thing. And this was a rebuy of the cabinet art frames. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but for my portfolio, I don't know if these will be in or if they'll be out, but I like them, so I got them. I got some more clippings with the ideas. I got some more of the word clippings. I bought another box of the pocket cards because I use these pocket cards a lot. You probably saw this one in one of my last ones, so I just picked up another pocket cards. I picked up the tiny lights. What I wanted to do is I'm doing a Julie nutting thing, and I wanted to do a summer thing and put lights on it, but I'll have to see how that works out. I'll have to see. And then I think that's all my Tim Holtz type stuff. Oh, and I had to buy these spare parts. I got these, I got these on, and I had them in a bag, and I got them from Tuesday morning. No, not Tuesday morning. It's not Tuesday morning thing. I think it says Paper Studio, so I must have picked them up at Hobby Lobby at some point in my thing, but it was in my bag for stuff to show. Of course, I can't go unless I go past my dollar store, and my dollar store had this. And they had, yes, butterflies again. I picked those up. And more butterflies, because these are like paper ones. That Crafter Square, I swear, I tell you, I'm not going to swear, but I tell you guys, you got to check out that Crafter Square. And I got these and this. And so that's my haul, my Tim Holtz haul, to work on my folio, to all go on my folio. And I think I have, and somewhere in this craft room, there's some Tim paper. So I want to do it in the Tim paper and everything, and kind of, you know, some little grunge and stuff, and I'm going to do that. Thank you for joining me today for my Tim Holtz haul. And I'll keep you up to date on my folio and how that goes for us on Saturday with the three of us crafting at the same time. That should be fun. And I'll let you know how that goes. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like what's happening on the channel, subscribe. I'd be glad to have you on this journey with me. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to all my friends. Thank you to my family who tune in and watch my videos. And like I said before, stay safe. Pay attention to outside when you're outside. Pay attention to your surroundings. You know, if too many people in the aisle, move out of that aisle. The old virus, it seems to be making a little comeback. Wear your mask, wash your hands, do whatever you have to do. Keep your parents safe. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.